In this video you're going to learn about GST, and GST is a tax and stands for Goods and Services Tax, and at this time it is 15%. It used to be 12.5%, it is now 15%, and it's added onto the cost of most purchases, and the government takes it and puts it towards schools and roads and hospitals and things like that. So let's find out if we're asked to find the GST on a price of $48, we are going to find 15% of it, and we know to key that into our calculator as 15 divided by 100 times 48, or if you know that 15% is 0.15, you can go straight to that, 0.15 times 48, and so the GST on $48 is $7.20. Now, a price which includes GST is called GST inclusive. A price which does not include GST is called GST exclusive. X means without. The GST inclusive price for the above example is the $48 and add the $7.20 to it, and so you would expect to pay $55.20. And this, you've done that calculation in 2 steps. Now we can do it in 1 step, just like we were doing in the other video when we're increasing by a percentage. We can just take the 0.5, put a 1 in front of it, and that will find the 15% and add it on automatically in 1 step. Okay, so let's see the above example. $48 times 1.15 and you get $55.20. So you go straight to the answer. Okay, so let's try some of these questions. A TV costs $1,500 without GST. What is the price when GST is added? So I'm just going to multiply by 1.15 and get 1725, so that's what I would expect to pay over the counter. Add GST to $380, so we just say to $380, 1.15, we have to add it on, so we can do it in 1 step, and we get $437. Okay, now if you've got several items, quicker to add the items together and then put the GST on than do them separately. So we're going to add the 600 and the 500 together and get 1100, and then we're going to add the GST on the 1100, and if you put that in your calculator you should get $1,265. Okay, now there's none of these in the booklet, but you'll find some in the textbook.